Hello and welcome back to Vcode CSI with AP YouTube channel, guys. Once again we are back with another problem in Python programming. So today's topic is going to be on tuples. So in this we're gonna discuss a subtopic in tuple, that is joint tuples. So today's topic is going to be on joint tuples. Okay. Basically, what is this joint tuples? So joint tuple is a thing which joins a two tuple, which will be joining the multi tuples in one variable. Like if we take a tuple A and a tuple B and we want to add both A and B, that is AC equals to tuple A plus tuple B. So this is meant by joint tuple. Okay, so this is joint tuple, and we have explained about tuples in our previous video. So for your recall, I'll be explaining in two important points in tuples. So basically tuples are very much similar with a list, but the thing is that list is mutable but tuples is not mutable, it is immutable. Okay, so what is meant by immutable? It is not changeable. Okay, it is not changeable. Okay, so this is a major thing in tuples. Okay, it is an immutable thing. And when it comes to point P, tuples can be of various type. It can be of float or int or string or whatever it may be. It can be allowed any such things in it. So basically it will be storing all this data in it. So that is meant by tuple. Okay, it will be storing the data in that, similar with set list. And when it comes to join tuple, basically join means adding, right? So that's the reason we'll be in operation, we will be using this operation in join tuples. Okay, and as I said that C equals to tuple A plus tuple B, right? So that means we are adding this both tuple, that is meant by join tuple. Okay, joining or adding both are the same, like both meaning are same, right? So we'll be using plus operation here. And if you want to add string or int or float or list with tuple, you will be getting an error. Okay, you cannot add a tuple with float or list or int or string. You can be tuple can be added to a tuple itself. So in that case we won't get any error. If you would like to add tuple to a list or float, int, string, you will be getting an error. So this is all about the basics, guys. So without any delay, I'll be jumping into today's question. So today's question is tuple 1 that is equals to PSI and Vit-Ap and Vcode. Okay, and then comes tuple 2 that is equals to 4, 9, 7. Okay, and then tuple 3, and this tuple 3 would be equals to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Okay, so yeah, so I just want a value of tuple 3. Okay, so print tuple 3. So basically this is today's code. You just watch it carefully and figure out a proper output and comment that in my comment section. I'll be giving you 5 seconds. So it's 3, 2, 1 and go. Yeah, I'll run the code. So yeah, so watch it here. CSI, this is my tuple number 1 and this is my tuple number 2. So before that I'll clarify your doubt. Okay, so this guy said that tuple can't be added with a list or float or int or string. You may get this doubt, right? But a tuple can be added with tuple. This first one is a tuple and the second one is a tuple, because tuple is represented by round brackets. Okay, don't get confused. This tuple is represented by round brackets and list is represented by the square brackets. Okay, so that means this is a tuple and this is a tuple. Okay, if I remove these round brackets and I keep square brackets, and if I try to run this, I'll be getting an error, right? Because a tuple can't be added with a list, right? A tuple can be added with a tuple itself. Okay, see, I'll keep this as a tuple. Once again I'll run the code, you'll be getting no error here. See, okay, so round brackets is a tuple representer and a square bracket is a list representer. And when it comes to the output, so I'll explain you that. So this is my tuple number 1, right? I'll explain you here clearly. This is my tuple number 1, okay, and this is my tuple number 2. Okay, so when I add them both, you'll be getting like this, right? See, here we are getting it like this, right? So the thing here is we are trying to merge these two tuples into one tuple. Okay, see, tuple number 1 and tuple number 2, we are adding both of them and giving it a we are giving it as a tuple number 3, right? So this tuple is equals to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Okay, so that means we are merging them into one variable, like one tuple itself. That means we are adding this tuple into this. That means after CSI VIT AP code, we are gonna get 497. Okay, so this two tuples is considered as one tuple itself after we are adding this both. Okay, so that's the logic behind this, and it's a simple code, guys, and a very important one. So that's it for this code. I hope this video is very helpful for you, and thank you for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.